Good morning, Kuwait. Today is a special day. 13 years ago, me and Rain met.
After 3 years of dating, we got married.
And after 10 years of being married, we've been through so many adventures, so many ups and downs, and kids. Whew, it's been a roller coaster. We're here in Gharayef restaurant. It's in Jabriya. This is authentic Kuwaiti food. Welcome. Plenty of seating, and then on the sides they got the dewaniyas. Let's go check it out.
Yo, what's up, man?
Gotta take off my shoes.
Yo, boy.
Right now, we are at the Diwaniya for lunch. This is our 13 years anniversary lunch. And we took all these 3 kids. So, look at Joshua.
Is it yummy? Alright guys, this is what you do to make a perfect sandwich. You get some of this bread,
Daddy, what's it?
garlic, hummus, you get some of this shish tawuk,
Give me a plate of chicken.
french fries,
Daddy.
you get some of this cilantro, little onions, maybe a little bit of biryani rice in there too, a little bit of sauce.
Sauce?
And then you roll it on up and you enjoy.
I have mine.
Look.
My bad.
Hey, remember that 24-year-old kid that used to eat those chickens back in the day? Well, he's still doing it. I'm still eating the chicken. You go outside the door, you come in, and I'll camcord you. Ready, action.
Started when you said hello. Just did something to me.
You walked in.
Shame on me now, flew me to places I've never been. Till you put a ring on it.
That food was good. That food was really good. Gharayef restaurant, highly recommended. Come down to Jabriya and you get yourself a little dewaniya too, like this.
It's authentic Kuwaiti cuisine. If this is the result of that 13 years, it's worth it.
Mommy,
Happy anniversary. Many more to come.
Mommy, just take her.
Happy anniversary.
Mommy,
Many more to come.
Daddy.
Forever.
Many more times she's gonna copy me. Every time it's anniversary, every time there's an occasion, she always copies me. She can't be original like me. I'm too original. Guys, be original like me. Hey, are you kids gonna start acting right?
Yeah. Wait.
The food is coming.
Oh, it is? Right now?
They're cooking it.
Yay.
That's only I'll spend some time with it. Oh, what's that shiny thing?
Wait, are you dying?
Sorry, dude.
Respawn.
Tommy.
Sorry, it was my mistake.
You spilled Coke all over the internet.
Joshua, Jacob.